Today I am meeting here to present IR spectra of alcohols. Before discussing the IR spectra of alcohols, we will first discuss basics of IR spectroscopy. IR spectroscopy is an analytic technique that studies the absorption, emission, or reflection of IR light by a sample to identify its molecular structure and functional group. In IR spectroscopy, we deals with vibrational and rotational transitions of a molecule, and for the molecule to be IR active, there will be a change in dipole moment, and the IR spectroscopy is useful in finding the functional groups of a compound, and it is also used for purity analysis, reaction monitoring, quality control, and identification of unknown compounds.
Now, the IR spectra is mainly divided into two regions, functional group region and fingerprint region. Functional group region, that is the region between the range 4000 to 1400 centimeter inverse, have the characteristic peaks for functional groups like OH, C double bond O, C double C, C double bond C, C double bond N, and the fingerprint region ranges below 14,000 centimeter inverse down to 400 centimeter inverse, and we see in the given spectra that there is OH stretch, NH stretch. We commonly call this type of stretching is OH stretching, and the range of OH stretching is between 3500 to 2800. This is the peak for CH, and the nitrile carbenes, that is the triple bonds, have the peaks in region 2300 to 2100 centimeter inverse in IR spectra, and the region of the double bond is between 1800 centimeter inverse to 1600 centimeter inverse, and there is single bond region also, and the single bond region comes in the fingerprint region. IR spectrum is also divided into three regions, that is far IR, mid IR, near IR. Far IR region ranges below 400 centimeter inverse in IR spectroscopy. Mid IR region ranges between 4000 centimeter inverse to 400 centimeter inverse. Near IR region ranges between 14,000 centimeter inverse to 4,000 centimeter. Before moving to the IR spectra of alcohols, we will first discuss the alcohols. Alcohols are the organic compounds having a hydroxyl group, one or more, and which now we will discuss IR spectra of ethanol. Ethanol means an alcohol, and in an alcohol, general peaks that we will observe are OH stretching, sp3 hybridized, CH stretching, C single bond O stretching. First one we will discuss, that is OH peak of alcohols come in the region 3600 to 3200 centimeter inverse, and here you will see that the OH stretching comes at 3391 centimeter inverse, and this is the peak of OH stretching. And now we will now we will discuss the CH stretching. The range of CH stretching, sp3 hybridized CH stretching, is 3000 to 2850 centimeter inverse, and you will see the CH peak at 2961, that is the CH stretch. And now we will find the C single bond O peak in the given spectrum. This is the peak of this is the peak for C single bond O in the given alcohol. So from the spectra, it is clear that it is the spectra of an ethanol. So now we will discuss IR spectra of benzyl alcohol, that is aromatic alcohol. The main peaks we will observe in IR spectra of aromatic alcohols is OH stretching, sp3 hybridized CH stretching, C double bond C stretching, aromatic stretching, and C single bond O stretching. Now let us see the spectra of benzyl alcohol. The OH stretching ranges between 3200 centimeter inverse to 3600 centimeter inverse. Here, the OH peak in this spectra we will see is this, and the sp3 hybridized CH stretching occurs at 3000, and this is the CH sp3 stretching, and this is the stretching or aromatic stretching or C double bond C stretching, and the C single bond O stretching comes in fingerprint region. This is the C single bond O stretching. Let that fall.